So 51. 51. Be sure to subscribe to my channel. Okay. So automorphism of phi is from field to field, which is 1, 1, and 2. Such that phi of A plus B equal to phi of A plus phi of B. Phi of AB equal to phi of A times phi of B. And F is Q. So okay, so the question is, how many automorphism of this of phi? So number of phi. This is the question. Okay. So actually, so I will announce the answer. So actually, only one. Phi of x is x. This is the only one automorphism. And this is easy to see because from this one we know that phi of 0 plus x equal to phi of 0 plus phi of x. So phi of 0 is 0. And this one tells you that phi of 1 is 1. Then suppose that we choose positive integer, then phi of x is just phi of 1 plus 1. So there are x of them. So these are x times phi of 1. Basically this is x. And the second so now we know that integer is the positive integer is an identity map. But how about negative integer? So minus alpha or minus x plus x is phi of 0, which is 0. But phi of x, this is minus phi of x plus phi of x. Right. So this is so this is this. So phi of x minus x is equal to minus phi of x. So this tells you that the negative integer just the negative sign of positive integer. Okay, so up to now we have phi of x equals to x for all x belong to the integer. And remember that we have phi AB equal to phi A times phi B for all AB belongs to Q. So now, how about phi of P over Q? Phi of P over Q times phi of Q will equal to phi of P. But the problem is the phi of P is just P, and the phi of Q is just Q. So phi of P over Q is P over Q, which is the same as P over Q. So it tells you that all the phi of any rational number is x. So the number of phi is only 1. Okay, so this problem is very tricky. The answer is B. The answer is B.